Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Most developers think that AI tools are only for writing code, but that is absolutely wrong, friends. Real developers use AI for planning, debugging, understanding old code, writing tests, and even for pull requests. So in this video, I will show you the exact AI tools I use daily as a developer with a real workflow. So in fact, everyday software developers, they are doing some waste of time on the few things like understanding someone else's code, fixing build errors, writing boilerplate, and preparing pull requests. So AI can reduce all this effort if you use right tools in the right way. So in this video, you will see which AI tools developers actually use in real projects. So this video is for all freshers, even for experienced professionals. So before starting this main topic, if you are using any AI tool in your projects, please comment in the comment section. Now let's start with the first and most common AI tool for every developer already has inside their IDE. It is available inside IDE only. Okay, so think of a Copilot as a junior developer sitting next to you inside VS Code or IntelliJ. When we write a comment like create get order API with validation and error handling, Copilot immediately suggests the code. Here, important thing you have to understand, Copilot is best for boilerplate, repetitive code and standard patterns. You never blindly accept everything. So you have to this boilerplate code to save your time and then review the logic, naming and edge cases yourself. You can use this Copilot for controller and service skeletons, DTO mappings, repository queries, simple unit test structures. Don't use Copilot for final business logic decisions, security rules, complex concurrency logic. If you use this Copilot correctly, it saves 1 to 2 hours every day, friend. And next one is Cursor AI Code Editor. Cursor is not just autocomplete, it's like a planning and a coding assistant. When you want to refactor multiple files, first ask Cursor to create a plan. For example, move validation to service layer, add global exception handler, update test. Cursor shows a step-by-step refactor plan. First, you have to review plan first, then approve changes one by one. This is very important for production code. Cursor is best when you are refactoring existing code in it, when you need to change across many files, when you want to control AI edits, not chores. So this tool is very powerful for senior developers and tech leads. And now let's talk about Claude Code. This is a terminal AI agent. So this works directly in your terminal. When a build fails or a test breaks, instead of Googling errors, you can ask Claude. For example, I run MVN test and it fails. So Claude reads the error, understands the context and explains the root cause as well. Then it suggests which file to change, what annotation or configuration is missing, how to fix it safely. This is extremely useful for build failures, test failures, CI/CD issues, legacy project debugging. So think of Claude Code is an intelligent DevOps plus a debugging assistant. And the next AI tool is, this is one of my favorite tool for real projects, that is Sourcegraph Cody. In the large enterprise projects, the biggest problem is not writing code. The biggest problem is understanding where things are implemented. So with Cody, you can ask where is the authentication done, which service published this event, where is this DTO map. So Cody searches the entire repository and gives the exact file names and methods. This is extremely helpful when you join new project, you work on legacy code, you are debugging production issues. This tool alone can save weeks of onboarding time. And the next one is GitHub Copilot PR summary. Most developers hate writing PR descriptions. Most reviewers hate reading unclear PRs as well. So Copilot automatically generates what changed, which files are affected, high level intent of the PR. So you can use Copilot summary as a base. Then manually you can add like risk areas, test evidence, rollback plan. This improves the code review quality and reduce back and forth comments. So if you want faster approvals, clean PR summaries matter a lot. Next one is cursor bugbot. Bugbot scans your code and highlights the potential issues like null pointer exception, unhandled edge cases, inefficient SQL queries. Think of it as an automated reviewer that never gets tired. But you have to remember an important point here. Bugbot does not replace human reviews. It acts as a second safety net. That's it. So you can use Bugbot before creating a PR to catch obvious mistakes early. So this improves the code quality and reduce the embarrassing review comments. So along with these AI tools, so there are some other AI tools also there. Most of the candidates are using like ChatGPT and Google Gemini as well. Okay, so these AI tools are for a learning purpose. Okay, these are my final concluding words. Mainly developers are using AI tools in real-time projects to plan the task in plain English, to generate the skeleton code in IDs, use Codebase assistant to confirm where to change, and run the test and fix failures using terminal agent, and generate or improve the unit test cases, and create the PR summary and add the risk notes and request reviews. Okay, so in these areas mostly AI tools are using in the software companies to implement their projects and to improve the productivity and to save their time as well. Okay, so and which AI tool you are using currently in your projects, please comment in the comment section. Okay, so if you want more videos like this, then follow our byluckysir YouTube channel and share to your friends as well. Hit the like button and subscribe for more updated information videos. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.